Hey everybody, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Well, do I have a story? I seem like I always have a story, but honestly, I'm telling you, these things really happen to me. All right. Okay, this is going to be a Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby haul, okay? I'm going to save the best for last as far as the story goes. You aren't going to believe it. Well, maybe you will. I don't know. But for now, let's go ahead and we'll do the Hobby Lobby. Okay. For my Christmas in July, I can't find Christmas pics out yet. Why am I shocked? It's only July. But usually you can find some, you know. But what I did is Hobby Lobby had this, and it's just one of those, you know, garlands. And it was $5.99, and I used my 50% off coupon. All right, or 40%, I'm sorry. So anyway, this is going to be for a DIY coming up shortly. And then this is another Christmas in July DIY coming up. And I had to get my pom-poms and my felt, and I think, well, these say red berries, so I guess they're not holly berries, but, and I'm sorry if there is a shadow. I am doing this at 10:30 at night, and I have all of my lights in my craft room on, so I've got as much light as I can give. But anyway, here's the felt. And the red berries. Actually, I'm going to do quite a bit with these. So I'm glad that they came in this much of a package. And then I have 3 different size white pom-poms. So that's another Christmas in July DIY. I don't know if I'm doing 2 or 3 in July because I am going to be doing at least 3 as we get closer to the holidays, probably in November. So I'm not sure. And then I had to get, and this is also for, well, this is for a fall DIY, and this is for a Halloween DIY. And this is so cool, you guys. This is like patent leather paint. It's a very high gloss black. And I haven't even opened it up yet. Well, looks basically like black paint to me, but I do see a little bit more of a shine. But I'm excited to use this. And this one was $2.99. Usually I get the ones that are either 50 cents or $1.50. What happened to this paint? Okay. And I got fabric tack, and there's another story. When I tell you the Dollar Tree store, I'm going to tell you the story about this when I tell you about the other one. Okay. And then I needed some little snowflakes, but I wanted more of the rustic farmhouse looking ones, so I got these. So I can paint them if I want, or I can leave them the way they are, because there's 10 pieces in here, so got that. And I think, oh no, there's a couple more things from Hobby Lobby. And these apples. That's going to be another, this one's going to be a fall DIY. Okay, now on to Dollar Tree. Okay. Oh, I can't help but kind of laugh. And you know what? I did get a couple things from Walmart. I forgot about that. I am all over the place. You know what? Wait a minute. So my haul from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. I was saying Dollar Tree. I did not mean Dollar Tree. I meant Walmart. I got more of the insulating foam that I do my cupcakes with, and some little bread tins. and I had to get an extension cord. For another DIY, I had to get the fast drying acrylic white caulking silicone. You're going to like this one for all my faux lovers. Then I had to get some googly eyes, and this is for one of my Christmas in Julys. Clothespins, which is another Christmas in July. Well, this one might be the one in November. I'm not sure yet. Some more white pom-poms. Mod Podge, because I'm going to be using this with quite a few things that I am doing. Jingle bells. And paint. And I didn't realize this was a high gloss. That's not going to matter. Anyway, the paint. So, that is from Walmart. I have it in a Dollar Tree bag, but it's not from Dollar Tree, it's from Walmart. Alright. And from Dollar Tree, now this is from Dollar Tree, I just got some more of the Huggies, and I wipe my hands with these when I'm doing crafts. I keep them up here. And then I got this. This is cool. It's like one of the refrigerator, but it's not with the magnet. This is what you would put like in a planner or whatever, but it's internet passwords. It's website name, URL, username, password. So I thought that was cool. And then I just got some Yardley oatmeal London soap, and then a bread. This is a real reusable bread tin. And one more wooden spoon. Well, this isn't really a spoon. It looks more like a spatula, but you'll see this is going to be another Christmas DIY. Okay, on to the story. You know, I can laugh now, but it wasn't funny when it first happened. Okay. There are certain candles that I like from the Dollar Tree. Okay. Well, they had this cinnamon bun, okay, and I thought, oh man, that really smells good. All right, so I had everything that was from Dollar Tree in this bag, okay, and then when I came upstairs, I put all my Walmart stuff and all that in here, and that's why that was in here. All right, so I left it in the car, and then I forgot about it for a night. Okay, this is when we were having 105-degree weather. I go out to get my stuff out of the car because I started thinking, oh my gosh, that stuff's been out in the car, you know, and it's so hot. I go out, the Dollar Tree bag had candle wax all inside. This spoon, you can still see where I had to wipe it off, was covered. Everything from the Dollar Tree. This had stuff on it. This had wax all over it. The candle exploded, okay? I am so lucky that the lid stayed on, and what it did is the lid was half off, but it stayed on, and you can still see, I think you can see, I hope. Can you see all the wax that's on the outside here? What it did is when it exploded from the inside, thank goodness it didn't break, but it was tipped and everything started oozing out of here where you can still see remnants of it. It could have completely, this could have flown all the way off. I could have had wax all over my car. I can't tell you how thrilled I was that that was the only mess I had to pick up. But look at this. Okay, here it is still on the side, and I left it on purpose to show you. That side of the candle is completely gone. Completely gone. And that's what got all over everything. Okay, so when I go out and I see this, this had fallen to the side, I have like a little cubby in the back where I lift my back up, you know, because I have a CRV. You guys, this, can you read that? Extremely flammable. When I tell you that this stuff was hot, I don't mean it was just hot. I mean to the touch, you couldn't hardly touch it. Do you know how many times I thanked God that nothing happened? Moral to the story. Do not leave anything in your car thinking you're going to go back and get it out in a little while, because you might forget like I did. Now, had there been food in it, yeah, that would have been a different, because of course I would have thought, oh, I got food in the car, I got to get it. Well, when you've got craft stuff, you're not thinking, or I shouldn't say you, me, I wasn't thinking like that. Candles do explode. Trust me on this one. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my heavens, I'm telling you. Unbelievable. So thank goodness all is wonderful with Mother Earth. But it could have been a lot different. And like I said, it was in a bag, so the bag took the brunt and everything in the bag took the brunt of it. But I would much prefer that than anything else. And this, thank goodness, it had fallen out of the bag, and it, like I say, it had gotten in that little cubby. Could have been a whole different story. So, be careful when you get your stuff. Let me be your teacher in that too. Don't be a numbnut like I was. Alright, one more thing. I got these two containers for my crafts. So when I'm, well, you'll see when I'm doing one of my DIYs, you'll see what I'm doing with this. And I picked up a few more of these flowers because I don't think they're going to be around for long. So that is my haul for my Christmas in July from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. So guys, have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful weekend. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.